We are here with Peggy Gibbs from Camp Biz Smart. Welcome to TiECon. So what brings you to TiECon?
Well, we come each year, this is our fourth year, in order to network with the best and the brightest entrepreneurs and the best companies.
So Peggy, tell me more about Camp Biz Smart, your company.
Well, Camp Biz Smart is an entrepreneurial youth academy for 11 to 15-year-olds. We make sure that we bring two great award-winning companies with wonderful project cases that students and teams will then solve during camp, create a business plan, learn all of the essentials of a business, and be able to then pitch it in front of investors at Microsoft.
And so who are your customers?
Our parents and students.
And students? Okay, amazing. So you're at TiECon this year. What would you like to take away from the conference?
Well, I think one of the things we always work to achieve is to make sure that we know the best companies that are here, because we partner strategically with the very best companies that are both established and startups doing important things. And we look for the most adaptable and flexible thinkers, because that's what's required in today's world to be successful. And so we're looking out always on the horizon to see what is going to be needed next and being able to educate our students in that way.
Amazing. So Peggy, if you would have to advise the attendees out here, how can they make most out of the conference? Give us a quick tip about this.
Talk to everyone. You never know. You never know. Be open, be willing to engage, and ask lots of questions. You know, the mistake I think we all make is that we are so ready to tell what we do, and we need to listen more.
Absolutely. Thank you, Peggy, and enjoy the conference.
Thank you very much for having me.